you. So from here, once you will get that, no, this is a like accounts. This is a like on-ramp courses are free. Quickly you can go for is a MATLAB like fundamental. Sorry, already here open. That's the reason is getting here. Like I'm going to open the fundamentals. So like previously, who are maybe my colleagues and maybe yesterday I was explaining then how to start the get and start in what are the courses is there and how to enter the commands in MATLAB and how to start the data into MATLAB. This is a complete agenda like what we are talking maybe another 3 days or 4 days and maybe your faculty also. This is a like complete of the courses, online courses. Once you finish up to like either like some 16, 17, 18 chapters, then you will get the certificate from that MathWorks. So today, yesterday I talking about the creating, how to creating that, how to manipulating the arrays. Then here is a like maybe we are talking about the manual entering, how to enter the manual entering that arrays and how to creating speeded vectors, maybe how to creation of the functions on how to reshape the arrays. This is the content yesterday we talking, and today we are talking about that accessing data in arrays. That is how to extract as a and how to subset and of arrays and modify elements in array. So quickly we are going to that course of example accessing the data in arrays. Click on the first one. So here is basically it is showing that like how to data in arrays. Maybe that is maybe in rows or maybe it is in columns, or maybe if you want to specific the row and specific the number I want to access that elementary. So this is a like they're giving the picture. For example, this is the data you have. If you want to like scalar 1 by 1, maybe or maybe 2 by 3 or maybe 3 by 4, you want to like maybe different rows and columns if you want to access, then how to it is there. So this is a like a preview of that the things, and how to maybe for example you have the indexing of the vector. For example, this is like my 0 to like up to like maybe some data having in Excel. This is like some Australia the location of the vector they're giving. Here is the sample. Yeah, here they're giving the like this once it is open. So here is you can type on the hands-on practice. Sorry, one moment. So here there is given the task. First of all, the task is the location of the each element vector referred by is an indexing. That MATLAB index element is vector is 1. So this is a like 1. So there is given the task. The following the command vector is fourth element of this vector x, and the store in the variable is in z. So this is a vector. This is a 4. I want to save in that variable in z. So here you have to type like they're already given the data, x data they're given and y data they're given already. This is a defined by the vectors and x and y already is given, but in that I want to create one variable and I want to store that in the form of x4. So here is the task. Then you have to create the variable name r, and the contents on the third of element of this vector is x. So they're giving this task. For example, here then you have to define. So if you know the answer, you can type here. If you don't know, they're giving there is a hint also. So there is hinting is the vector name is 3. Why? Because they're given the third of this vector in the fourth. So if you are not able to find, maybe if I enter something wrong, for example, even though vector name is 3, if I enter here, I want to submit. For example, if I enter wrong or maybe right, if it is wrong is like unrecognized function of variable is vector name, it is there. Yes, it is wrong. If you are then next level is going to for the solution. When you click on the solution, it will one more window it will open. So it is showing the correct answer so that you can correct. So you can type on your hands on and you can practice on your sorry. So here also, see, whenever it red mark it will show that is maybe it is like some mistake it is there. So like I'm typing the r is equal to x of 3, then I'm submitting. So here, like if it is correct answer, it is showing that the test of result is correct. Does this exist? Then if your definition is correctly yes, then I'm going to the